Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to fix Google Home speaker slow response, speed up and stop lag fast. Fix 1. Adjust Hey Google sensitivity. Open the Google Home app on your Android or iPhone. Then touch and hold your Google Home or Nest speaker. Tap the settings which is your icon. Then go to audio and then go to Hey Google sensitivity. Move the slider to make the device more sensitive or return it to the default level if it was previously changed. Then test the speaker by saying Hey Google from your usual speaking distance. Fix 2. Remove secondary languages. Open the Google Home app, then tap on your profile picture. From there, go to Google Assistant settings and open languages. Now remove any secondary languages so that only your primary language remains. Then restart the speaker and check if response time improves. Fix 3. Check the microphone and clean the speaker. Make sure the microphone mute switch on the speaker is turned on. If the microphone is muted, enable it using the physical switch on the device. Gently clean the microphone opening with a dry cotton swab, Q-tip, or a soft brush to remove dust and debris. Avoid using liquids or compressed air, which may damage the microphone. Fix 4. Reduce Wi-Fi interference. Place the speaker in an open area away from TVs, microwaves, cordless phones, and other wireless devices. Now move the speaker closer to your Wi-Fi router or mesh Wi-Fi node if the signal is weak. If you use a mesh Wi-Fi system, verify that the speaker is connected to the nearest access point for the best performance. Fix 5. Factory reset the speaker. If none of the solutions work, perform a factory reset to restore the speaker to its default settings. Locate the factory reset or microphone mute button on your Google Home or Nest speaker. The location varies by model. Then press and hold the button for 10 to 15 seconds until you hear the confirmation sound. Now wait for the device to reset completely and then open the Google Home app and set up the speaker again as a new device. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.